Using a foundation that's too light.
This washes out your natural warmth.
And makes your skin look tired instead of healthy. In American Beauty, the trend is lightweight, natural, skin-like foundation.
Choose a shade that matches your neck, not your wrist.
Most women don't realize they're aging themselves just by doing their makeup wrong.
Today, we'll break down 5 common makeup mistakes that can make you look older.
And more importantly, how to fix them effortlessly.
Let's start with the biggest mistake of all.
Mistake number 1.
And keep the layer thin, fresh, radiant.
Mistake number 2.
Intense smoky eyes are outdated. And they can actually make your eyes look smaller.
In the US, the trend is soft, neutral tones.
Light definition, not heavy darkness.
This keeps your eyes bright, open, and youthful.
So choose softness over intensity.
Drawing your brows too thin.
This can age your face instantly.
Choose a brow shape that matches your face structure.
Not too dark, not too sharp.
And keep them full, soft, and natural.
Brows frame your whole expression.
Skipping blush makes the face look dull. Just a touch of color brings life back instantly. In American Beauty, blush is essential for a youthful glow. It makes you look fresh, awake, and radiant.
While bright, warm colors add youth and fullness.
It's a small step, whooping down, toe end with a big effect.
Dark matte shades can make your lips look thinner. Darbo dias morilum.
Mistake number 5.
Scour them. Third, these colors first brighten your entire face.
Choose coral, red, pink, or warm rose shades.
And that's how you avoid the mistakes that make you look older and bring out your real beauty.